How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another episode here on the channel. So today, what we have going on is we have another video where I am ordering custom tackle from a small business just to support them. I think it's really cool. You get things that you would never see in a store, and you help support small creators. You help support small businesses, small bait makers, things of that nature. And actually, I just got done painting some things for Noah's Flooded Lures. He really likes citrus craw in a square bill. So we got that citrus craw painted up for him. I had to clear coat that and we'll get it sent out pretty soon. But I'm very awful at unboxings because I get too excited and I open everything beforehand. So it's all right here. There's the box. But I made a custom soft plastic order again to B8N Tackle. And I'll show you how it's spelled because he, like, right away he sent like a bunch of stickers and stuff. Like, it's kind of crazy. Get these all out here. So let's go through all this. First thing that popped out here that fell is this little pin, and there you can see how B8N Tackle is spelled. B, the number 8, and then tackle. So a little button that you can wear, which I thought was neat. And how many stickers? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stickers. That's insane. That's like the best part of the order too, is when you get stickers. So I'll throw a couple of these up on the thing, on my drawer system. But so we have, oh, this one's actually a magnet, so we can put that on the old fridge. I don't have anything magnet, just got my air compressor. That's not gonna do. So we got 2 of these. So we got that one, and then a holographic one as well. And then here's another one. It says keep on baiting, and have another holographic sticker. And then I know this is one of the baits that he pours. I think it's some, I don't know which one it is. And it says baiting season. So those stickers are pretty cool. And then I got a couple koozies for my desk. Same as the sticker. And then that as well. So you know what? I needed a koozie for my little desk area right here. Not that I'm worried about cup rings or whatever, but I thought those were pretty cool. Alright, let's get into the order. I opened these, but I didn't open the packages. So the first thing that we got is a Marling Baits and Epic Bait Mold collaboration. This is the Epic Stud. This is a 6-inch boot tail. Oh, opens like that. Some really nice packaging. Has a sticker on it too. This is an 8-inch boot tail bait, and I opted for more of a rainbow trout color. So Marling Baits, he designed this in collaboration with, he works with Epic Bait Molds. And so this is an open pour soft plastic. This is all poured by hand. Has a hook slot. I believe this takes a 10-aught owner beast hook. And I opted for more of like a rainbow trout color. And it looks really good. It has some bigger black flake in it. Has a faint pink lateral line, has this pink around the gills, and then these eyes are super cool. I might glue those on a little bit more just because I don't want to lose those. No scent with them, but look at those eyes. Those are a sweet eye. And it's a nice, soft plastic, really nice and collapsible for when you get a bite. Wow. Yeah, those are so cool. That is a big bait. But this isn't the biggest bait that we ordered. So again, that's the Epic Stud. It's a 6-inch boot tail. Custom hand poured by B8N Tackle. And I got 2 of these. And honestly, he had, when I was shopping around, he had like some of the best prices for these baits. Like, it takes a lot of plastic that goes into pouring this, and it takes a lot of work because it's all by hand. But super cool. And then the main thing that I ordered from him was the Epic Boss, and I ordered 2 of these because I was looking at trying to get like a working class Zero Citizen, but those were kind of big, and then I was watching Nate Marling, and I was like, you know what, I do like that. I do want to get one of those. So this is one of his Epic Bosses, Epic Baits and Marling Baits. This is the Epic Boss. This is a 7.8-inch boot tail swim bait. Look at the detail on that face. And then another cool eye. And again, it has the hook slot. Oh, this hook slot kind of fused together. There we go. Has a hook slot, and this is built around a owner 12-aught beast hook, so a huge hook. But how I think I will rig this is I might try to rig up a line through harness system to where I have a treble hook more off of the back along with that owner beast hook. But out of curiosity, I'm curious how much one of these weighs. So let's see how much one of these is. Oh, like with soft plastics, like you really don't see, like they really don't say how much they weigh. So this is over 3-ounce bait just in plastic. So it's set as 3.2 ounces roughly. But this is a big bait. But like I said, I wanted to get like a Citizen, but it's like really hard to get the working class Hero Citizens, and they're pretty spendy. So I opted to get this, support a small business, and then on top of it, just I really like Marling Baits, and I was like, you know what, I want to get one of those bosses. These are massive. Here, I did that unboxing of that burrito, and I was like, oh, that burrito is a big bait. So here's that 6-inch burrito, and here's that 7/8. Look at that. Just, would you look at that? Oh, shoot. Yeah. You get a better system for some of these baits, but look at that. I am so excited to throw these, and I wanted kind of a generic kind of color like this. It's like, got like a white belly and some like a gray blue back, and it has a bit of a yellow lateral line, or maybe that's just, oh, that's just where the two colors meet up. It just like looks like a darker line. But this is all hand poured plastic. And you can't get something like this at your Cabela's. You know, something custom like this. Which is like so cool, and you support your local bait makers by doing so like this. This is so cool. This was the one that I was like originally reached out to him about and like really wanted to get. And so I got 2 of those. Put this back. And then I was like, alright, like let me up my order a little bit. Let me get some of the Epic Studs as well. And so in total, with shipping, this order costed me $50. And so each of these Epic Bosses, these big 7.8 paddle tails, each of these were $15. And then each of these were about $10, I think, because I paid $50 for the whole order. So with that, I got 2 of these and 2 of these, plus that covered shipping as well. And I think he really worked with me too. I thought that was a very fair price. I thought that was more than reasonable, because like big hand poured soft plastics like these, like really demand a premium price. I can't get that back in there. But I'll have to work on it later. I'm super excited about these. Thank you so much to B8N Tackle for working with me on this, with this order. He was super timely about making everything. He was very responsive, and it was just like overall a good experience. So definitely will recommend him if you want any paddle tails, but he does a lot of other stuff as well. I'll leave him linked down in the description. But yeah, support your local bait maker, because you get some cool stuff that you wouldn't be able to get in the stores. I guess as like an example, I've been working on painting some lures that I have. So this is a color that I just painted up. Hey, come on, focus. Focus. Got this yellow perch color. That's probably like one of my favorite colors to paint, and I just clear coated them. They're hanging. They do need some more time. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you for the next one.